trash bag?
Yep.
Somewhere up there. On the flange?
Probably the toilet needs to be reset, huh?
Yeah,
You saw for... Oh, shit, yeah.
right here. I seen it. Yeah.
From the flange, yeah?
Somewhere right there, up there.
Huh, okay. Can you shine it back down here? Damn. Okay, it is leaking then. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's freaking... Oh, I got my freaking face. Oh. All right. Okay, so that is about an inch to an inch and a half below the floor. And it's just too low, way too low. So we're going to need to raise this up. The bolts were loose, closet bolts. So we're gonna need to get it on top of the finished floor. And likely have to cut some of this out. Okay, we'll just have to cut around the thing. So I've decided to use this option because if I use just spacers here and just raise it up with spacers and then silicone the spacers, there's gonna be like 4 spacers to get this up to the floor, and that's kind of a lot. I don't mind using the spacers on top of the original flange if it's 1 or 2, but I would have to use likely 4, maybe 3 to get it to the top. So because the location below, you don't want any more leaks in there, I want to go with this option because that's going to sit in there like that, and that will be the better option. Safer option, less likely that it will leak in the future. We'll raise it up probably with these 2 and then that on top, but we gotta cut this out a little bit. All right. Might be able to put one more maybe, but that's okay. That'll be fine. Slightly above the floor. This wall is not straight. This whole area is kind of crooked. And lastly, need to shimmy shim shim, because this floor is not level at all. mainly in the front here. You gotta be very careful not to damage the floor. Okay, now test to see if there's any leaks. Hey, you want to flush it? Okay. Go ahead. Huh? You can flush it. No leaks. All right, we'll do it a few more times, but that ain't gonna leak, dude. Promise you that.